Okay, everybody. So, for the past 24 hours, I've been seeing quite a few posts from people who are in different gardening groups that I'm in on Facebook, and they are buying seeds already. And guess who's selling them? Dollar Tree. So, I've bought seeds from Dollar Tree in the past. They're normally 4 packs for $1, and the seeds do grow and they do produce vegetables. So, I'm going to go and see if they've got some. And if they do, I'm going to be so happy because I'm going to stock up on them, okay? Yeah, I do have seeds from last year and probably year before last, but I like to garden and I like to craft. I don't believe that you can ever have too many seeds. I don't believe that you can ever have too much fabric. So, anyways, I'm going to go over to Dollar Tree in my area, see if they've got anything, and I will let you know. Let's go. Alrighty, so we have arrived at Dollar Tree. We're going to see what they have. Okay, they've got seeds, so we have got to do some shopping. Alrighty, we are back and we have our vegetable seeds from Dollar Tree. They actually did have a good selection of seeds and they are four for $1. I got radish, a couple of different varieties of the radish. We have kale, we have broccoli, we have Swiss chard, some peppers, green beans, corn. There are a good variety of different vegetable seeds that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Now, on average, the radishes are 1 gram total weight. So 1 gram for 25 cents. And I usually get Ferry Morris radishes, the radish seeds, I should say, and they're 2.5 grams. And I paid $1.58 for this pack last spring. So you do the math. It's definitely worth buying them from the Dollar Tree, especially if you have a smaller garden bed. You don't need a whole lot of seeds, but you want to have a variety of different seeds. Get you a few while they're available because I'm sure they won't be there long with people like me rushing to go and buy seeds already. And here we're not even out of December yet. So these are seeds that we will be putting in the ground this spring for our spring garden. We've got some peas. We've got a good variety, so I'm pretty happy with what we found. And they have gloves. They have your gardening needs. Am I saying that right? So we've got some different gloves so that we can work with without getting our hands totally soiled. So there you have it. Dollar Tree does have vegetable seeds. They have flower seeds too, but I didn't buy any flower seeds. I'm not good at planting flowers and growing them from seeds. But if you're looking for some seeds to put in your garden, head on over to your Dollar Tree, see if they've got them.